Don Torres. I'm here today with my partners, and we're going to present our proposal. We're going to talk and to give a little brief description of the places that we choose to do our laboratory project. First of all, in the workplace evaluation laboratory, we choose Tigneos. Tigneos is a local business located in Bayamón, Puerto Rico. And this establishment mainly provides manicure and acrylic nail services. Workers here spend most of the time seated, performing detailed tasks with their hands. From an ergonomic perspective, this is important because workers maintain static and sometimes leaning posture for a long period of time. So we really think that this is an ideal place to realize our workplace evaluation laboratory.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Oscar Morales. I'm going to speak about the Rapid Upper Limb Assessment Laboratory, or in other words, the RULA assessment. I proposed the mid-toe tire alignment shop in Juncos. I select this shop because they perform or conduct automotive workshops, and the workers had to do repetitive tasks and lifting heavy items. Here we can, this environment is suitable for the rural analysis because it allows evaluation of posture and potential musculoskeletal risk. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jared Velasquez, or Yariem, and we'll be talking about the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health lifting equation laboratory. For this lifting equation lab, we're focusing on Caribbean Metals. It's an industry located in Carolina, and where it's handling heavy material. When we're talking about heavy material, we're talking about aluminum and stainless steel, and it's a constant part of workflow. The environment is basically like a large warehouse where workers are responsible for carrying heavy weights and shifting metal components throughout the shift. We're focusing on beds, on clinical equipment for the environment. And what makes the facility candidate for the NIOSH analysis is the shear volume and manual labor. Where we're talking about the shear volume, we're talking about the shear stress of the metal plates, stainless steel, how can I say it? When we're giving them angles for the specific job we're handling, and there's often repetition of carrying the weights and moving the objects throughout the environment. And these takes are physically demanding, like you're working an 8-hour shift, handling a lot of weight, sometimes in making some installments on the sites if you're asked to, and high stakes scenarios to calculate high lifting limits and identify when the ergonomic strain is most critical. And the noise laboratory, we're talking about 7 a.m. in the morning, making noise, polishing and welding, and the noises will be conducted at Caribbean Metals. It's an industrial facility where machinery, vehicles and metal processing generate high noise levels. We're talking about polishing, welding. When we're talking about those two, you're making some noise basically at the warehouse. And the environment includes operation truck movement and materials handling, which produce continuous intermittent noise. There's a machine called what we call it guillotina. It's basically a metal cutter for giving other angles at that work. And the settings for noise analysis to evaluate other workers is exposure to sound levels and potential hearing risk. When we're talking about the hearing risk, we're talking about when you're polishing. If you don't use any protection, well, you can have some problems on hearing too. And that will be it.
So the timetable is going to be the following one. In the week number 1, where the workplace is going to be the workplace lab from March 23 to March 28. Week number 2 is going to be the Rula Lab, April 13 to April 18. Week number 3 is going to be the NIOS Lab, April 27 to May 2nd. And week number 4 is going to be the Noise Lab from May 11 to May 16.